Today we're going to make discard sourdough crackers. These are made with the discarded sourdough that you have left over from when you feed your sourdough starter. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Get out a cookie sheet and cover it with parchment paper. If your sourdough discard has been sitting in the fridge for a bit, you want to give it a nice little stir. Then you want to pour some out onto your parchment paper. And then we're going to spread all this out thinly onto our parchment paper. And you're going to need to hold on to your parchment paper in order to do this. Now everything is nice and thin on the cookie sheet. The sourdough discard is thinly spread, so we get to do the fun part and season our crackers. I'm going to be using garlic powder, oregano, crushed rosemary, dill, rosemary, and some sea salt. But you can definitely go wild on this. You can use anything you want. You can make this nice and citrusy. You can use lemon peel. You can do herbs like I'm doing. You can do cheese. You can do paprika, smoked crackers. Anything that you like to eat on your crackers is what you want to season these with. The bagel seasoning is great on it too. So I'm just putting all of my toppings on here. This is the sea salt. And tomorrow I'm going to show you a 2-ingredient hors d'oeuvre or appetizer that you can use with these crackers. It's cream cheese based, and it's literally 2 ingredients that will make your guests or your family think that you spent hours making this stuff. So now that our crackers are covered up with our seasoning, we're going to pop them in the oven for 10 minutes. So this is the first 10 minutes that we're going to bake these crackers for. Here's the finished product. So these guys turned out super crispy and delicious. They're going to be perfect with the cream cheese based dip I'm making tomorrow that will also be on TikTok. And this just starts off my sourdough series, I guess you could say, because tomorrow we're going to feed my sourdough starter so that we can make a sourdough bread on Sunday. I'm going to walk you through that entire process. And also tomorrow we're going to make discard cranberry and lemon muffins. Discard sourdough cranberry and lemon muffins. They're delicious. So please check out all the rest of the videos this weekend.